everyone, welcome back to Literature with Sasha. Today we are diving deep into the one of the most fascinating periods in English literature, the Puritan Age. From John Milton's Paradise Lost, this era brought us work that continue to shape literature even today. Stick around us as we explore how the Puritans' religious beliefs, moral codes, and historical context influenced the literature of the 1600s. Let's get started. Introduction. The Puritan Age, spanning from 1600 to 1700, was a critical period in English literature marked by strict religious principles, societal changes, and political upheaval. This era coincided with the region of the Puritans, a religious group that sought to purify the Church of England and return it to what they considered a more authentic Christian faith. The historical background of the Puritan Age. The Puritan movement emerged in the late 16th century, a time when England was experiencing significant religious and political tension. The Puritans were reformists who felt that the Church of England retained too many elements of Catholicism and advocated for a return to a simpler, more direct form of worship based on the Bible. The Puritans and their influence on English society. Puritanism was not just a religious movement, it was a way of life. The Puritans believed in a strict moral code that emphasized personal piety, hard work, and community service. These values found expression in their literature, where the focus was on moral lesson and religious instruction. Puritan ideals had a profound influence on the culture of the time. They sought to reshape society according to their interpretation of the Bible, and this influence extended to education, law, and even in the art. Key features of the Puritan literature. Puritan literature, distinct for its religious undertones, dealt primarily with issues of sin, salvation, and divine providence. The writing was often deeply introspective, with many works reflecting the writer's personal struggle with faith and morality. The Bible was a central theme, and many authors produced work aimed at explaining or defending their religious beliefs. Prominent authors of the Puritan Age. Several key authors from this era made lasting contributions to English literature, including John Milton, Edward Tyler, and Annie. Their work, though grounded in Puritan principles, vary widely in style and focus, providing a window into the complexities of the Puritan thoughts. Number 1. John Milton and his contribution to Puritan literature. John Milton stands as one of the greatest figures of Puritan literature. His magnum opus, Paradise Lost, is perhaps the most famous work of the era and explores the story of the Adam and Eve, the fall of man, and the nature of divine justice. Milton's personal journey as a staunch Puritan shaped his writing as he sought to reconcile the ideals of the Puritan faith with broader philosophical and theological questions. Edward Tyler, the poet Puritan. Edward Tyler, another important writer of the Puritan Age, is often regarded as one of the American finest early poets. His poetry, though religious, was more personal and intimate than Milton's, delving into the emotional and spiritual struggles of the individual believer. Tyler's work were heavily influenced by his Puritan faith, with themes of sin, redemption, and the struggle for salvation. Annie, the first American poet, unlike many Puritan writers who focused solely on spiritual matters, her poetry was more diverse, blending personal experience with religious themes. Puritan literature and the development of the English novel. While the Puritan era is not typically associated with the rise of the novel, its influence can still be seen in development of prose. Early novels like John's The Pilgrim's Progress were deeply influenced by Puritan ideas, particularly in their focus on moral and spiritual struggles. The role of women in Puritan literature. Women in Puritan society were expected to be pious, submissive, and focused on family life. However, women like Annie challenged these expectations by using literature as a form of personal expression. Puritan literature and its legacy. The legacy of Puritan literature is vast, influencing not only later literary movement but also the development of American literature in the particular Puritan themes such as the struggle for moral purity, the quest for salvation, and the relationship between the individuals and the God would continue to resonate in literature for centuries. Puritanism and its decline. By the late 17th century, the power of the Puritans began to wane, particularly after the restoration of the monarchy in 1660. The subsequent decline of Puritan political power was mirrored by a shift in the literary landscape, with writers moving away from the strict religious focus that characterized early work. Criticism of Puritan literature. Puritan literature has often been criticized for its intense moralism and lack of humor. Crick argues that the Puritans were too focused on the idea of human depravity and salvation, leading to works that are at times overly serious and solemn. However, many modern scholars appreciate the intellectual depth and theological insights of Puritan writers. The Puritan Age was a significant period in the development of English literature. Writers from this era grappled with complex themes of faith, sin, and redemption, and their works continue to influence literature today. The Puritan commitment to personal piety, the quest for moral purity, and the reflection of religious devotion in everyday life shaped the course of English literature for generations to come. Thank you so much for tuning into Literature with Sasha. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Puritan age and how its rich legacy still impacts us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more literary journeys. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinion on this fascinating period. See you in the next video.